The Moroccan tourist visa application is simple and you can apply for this visa at your convenience from anywhere in the world. Your visa will look something like this. You can get it the very next day, and to make sure the visa is approved for sure, we crafted this guide for you. Today we'll share everything you need to know before applying, show you the application steps when you apply through us or if you choose to do the same on your own, and in the end some fun facts and a week's itinerary to explore Morocco. Let's start. Before we show you the steps, here's what you need to know. Morocco offers e-visa to Indians. It's a single entry visa with 6 months validity. Second, you can get it the very next day. You should have a tentative itinerary with you before applying. Third and lastly, you will need soft copies of two things: your passport's front page and a passport size photograph. Have questions? Stick along and they will get answered. There are two ways to submit your visa application. You can do it through Atlas or you can do it on your own. We'll share both, but let's start with the simpler one first. The link to apply for Moroccan visa through Atlas is in the video description below. When you click on that, you will land on this page. On the left side, you will find all the important information: the visa type, application process, FAQs and more. Read through the same, and whenever you are ready, start your application. The platform will ask your departure date or month, and once you confirm the same, your application will begin. From there, all you need to do is to sit straight when we click your picture, to steadily hold front page of your passport, and some details about yourself and your travel plans. Once you have done the same and paid the government fee, you will be set. You will also be able to see the exact date and time when your visa will drop in. So, was it easy? Let's show you how the same will look like when you do this on your own. To find the application form, write on Google Morocco e-visa for Indians. This is the official website. Once you are in, you will land on this page. You can even check from this that Indians are eligible for e-visa. So scroll below and click on Apply for e-visa to start your application. Once you do that, you will land here and will require to complete all these steps. So quickly start by verifying your email address, share details about yourself and your purpose to visit Morocco, make a note and checkmark all these conditions, share some more details about yourself again, and then your visit details. Now finally attach the soft copy of these two things. And if you're traveling with family or friends, you can add them here only. The website would now redirect you to the payment portal. You have two options: select what suits you and you will be done. But make sure to make a note of the application number because you will be able to track your visa through the same. This whole process will take you approximately around 30 minutes and you will receive your visa over the registered email. Now that you know everything about Moroccan tourist visa, time for some fun facts. Morocco is a North African country and is 13 to 16 flight hours away from India. From the majestic Atlas Mountains and vast Sahara Desert to the cities along the Mediterranean and Atlantic coast, it's a country of contrasts. The majority of the population resides in this region and you will find all the tourist hotspots here: city of Casablanca, Fez, Tangier and Marrakesh. It sees a little over 10 million international tourists each year. Moroccan dirham is the official currency. Official languages are Arabic and Amazigh, but French, Spanish and English are widely spoken. And this is known best for its medinas, dar architecture, metal, textile, pottery works and the hammam bathhouses. Here's how you can explore the best part of country in 6 to 7 days. Marrakesh 3 days, Sahara Desert 1 day, Fez 1 day, Chefchaouen 1 day. Start with Marrakesh, the most vibrant city of Morocco. You will love its medinas, street food, markets, mosques and bathhouses. After a long flight, it's best to slowly explore them all over 3 days. On your 4th day, head on a road trip to Merzouga Desert. Make sure to take a tour package that covers everything: your food, travel and stay. On your way, you will get to witness native Moroccan culture in many Berber villages. Do desert safari, and after spending the night, head to Fez and Chefchaouen to spend your last couple of days. Fez is world famous for its medinas and tangies, while Chefchaouen, the blue pearl of Morocco with its blue painted streets and the surrounding mountains, will provide a soothing end to your adventure. We wish you a joyful trip and hope you found the video helpful. This was everything you need to know about the tourist visa application process of Morocco. Feel free to ask any questions you may have in the comment section below. Our team of visa experts would be happy to solve this. We'll be back soon with another episode of How to Visa with Atlas. Till then, explore more guides as well as our vlogs to draw inspiration for your future adventures. Travel safe, see you soon.